you all are fit and safe in your home. Okay student, in that previous class already we discussed the functions in Excel. On that functions in Excel, what we discussed before class, that is cell reference, entering the Excel. Okay, and now I am going to explain using the text data how to enter the formula and how to rename or resell your giving this functions in Excel. Now today I am going to explain using the text data. What is using the text data? You can perform the arithmetics like additions, subtractions. We are using in this Excel we are entering the data, we are using particularly calculations part. Now you have to enter the text data also, means some formulas are available like I was enter the data here like sonum, marks, percentage. I already entered the data. In this data I want to change text data. I want to change text data. How it will be changed? Some formulas are available. The formulas is using the text data. Which formula we are using means, for example, you are entering the data like A cell, B cell, C cell, column, rows it will come to the 1, 2, 3, 4 like this it will come. So you want to like D3 cell or any A1 cell. A1 cell is the name is there, sonum, and next B1 A1 cell is names are there, B1 cell is marks are there, C1 cell is percentage are there. If you are entering the data like this means, and next you want to change the text data. How it will change? You have to give the formula. Like first of all, you must and should you know, first of all any formula you have to use it. First of all, give to the equaling sign symbols. Equaling sign you have to give the first of all, and next equaling sign. Then after D3 is the sonum name. D3 cell is the sonum name, and give to the apparent sense symbol. And next one is strings, means inverted commas. Strings means in our computer language we have to call inverted commas strings. Then open to the strings, has code, and next one strings are closed. Next one you can give the formula is D or 6 or E6 you can enter, and next one apparent and symbols you can give. Next strings opens and next strings you can close. Once you can enter that formula, next in your keyboard you have to press the enter. It will change the numbering to the using of data, using to the text data. Like how it will come, sonum K has scored some percentage like 77.1%, 77.6%. It will come to like the numbering positions is changing to the text of data, text into the data. It will change like this. We are using this formula. You can enter this using of text. And next one, auto sum. What is the use of auto sum means? Like if you are entering the data in Excel, so you want to do the additions, subtractions, multiplications, then you want to do, then you want to enter the, if your memory is very powerful means you can enter the formulas. Otherwise it will, the shortcut is the auto sum we can use. If this auto sum, where is this means? In Excel home tab on the right side of the editing group, it can show the auto sum option. On that auto sum option you can choose the drop down arrow and you can select the sum. You can select the sum. Once enter the data like names, classes, next is English subject, max, Hindi, like this you are entering the your names and your marks you are entering. Then you want to give the total. You want to give the total means you have to use sum option. What? Sum equal to, first of all you have to represent equal, you have to present them equally, equaling sign equal, and next sum means what? Addition. In this computer language sum means what? Addition. You can give to the sum, and next where you want means A1 cell to E1 cell you want to add these subject names. So A1 cell to E1 cell ratios if you want to give, it will come to their total, or otherwise you can use this auto sum option. You can use the sum option means it will come to the total. Like this you can use this auto sum options. You can easily enter the additions. In totaling you have to easily given. Once you can enter the one cell, once you can select the cell and drag it also, it will come to the all the names, all the total. Like this you are using. And next one, maximize. Maximize or average, minimize. Maximize means like that only same process, entering the data. If your total is remaining, you want to do this total maximize. So you want to go to the home tab, editing group, and auto sum option, drop down arrow you have to click there. Max options are available. Once you can click the max option, it will show on that cell of formula. Once enter click, it will come to the maximize value. Like this, once you can drag the cell, automatically it will come to the all cells, like that. Next one also average. Average also same process, like this you have to do. And minimize also in this will be available auto sum. We are using maximize, minimize and average. In this we are using easily, you can do the calculation parts in Excel. Okay. And next one is renaming the cell. Renaming the cell or adding the row, adding the column. Okay. If you want to add the cell, means you have to click on that cell where you want to add the cell, where you want to add the row, where you want to add the column. So where you want, somewhere you want on that sheet, you want to add the cell means you can click there end of the cell where you want to click there cell, then right click of the mouse, you have to click on the right click of the mouse, it will options are available like rows, add a column, add a cell. Where you want, what you want to add a cell, so you can click add a cell means it will display on the screens. Like that only add a column, add a row also, like that only we have to right click on the mouse, you can add a column, add a row, add a cell, like this we are using. And next, renaming the cell. Renaming the cell, already you are entered the cell one name like Sonam or Abhijit, you are entered the names. So you want to rename the cell means on that Sonam I want to change the name. So I want to give the rename like Noel, I want to give Sonam to replacing the Noel, I want to renaming the change of the cells. So Sonam I want to rename to give the cell. So I want to click there Sonam cell, right click, then option it will available, that is delete option, copy, cut, rename options are available. What you want rename option you want. So you can click the rename option, it will delete the cell name, then you can enter the new name of Noel, like this. Then after click enter means it will automatically change the name of cells. Like this renaming of cells we are using in Excel. Like this we are using this formulas auto sums and auto sums in the sums, average, maximize, minimize, like this we are using in these functions in Excel. Okay, are you understand children? Okay.